So if you go to very first classes, we have seen the classification of finite automata. So finite automata can be classified into two broad categories. In one hand, we have finite automata without outputs. And what are those? Finite automata without outputs, we have DFA, NFA, and epsilon NFA. And we have covered all those. Very extensively, we have covered all those three. And we have also seen they are actually equal in power. So we are done with this. Now let's go to left-hand side. Finite automata with output. Finite automata with output can be classified into two bodies. One is called Moore machine. Another one is called Miller machine. So if you've gone through any example of DFA, NFA, or epsilon NFA, you are going to see it is not going to printing anything. Am I right or not? It's not printing anything. It is a decision problem. Whether I'm going to accept that string or I'm going to reject that string. We never say after accepting what would be the output or after rejecting what would be the output. We never say like that. Nothing is printed on the input buffer or output buffer. Input output buffer. So that's why those automatas are called finite automata without outputs. But there is another genre of finite automatas which are called finite automata with output. And they are classified into two broad categories. One is called Moore machine, another one is called Miller machine. Now, let's have the equation of finite automata with output. Finite automata with output can be described like this. We have Q. What is Q? What is Q? Set of finite set of states, same like before. What is sigma? What is sigma?
Alphabet.
Non-empty set.
Non-empty set. Sigma is nothing but input alphabet. Input alphabet. Then delta, we know that delta is nothing but transition function.
Sir,
Q naught
function में relation হবে.
function. Moore machine, Miller machine are also deterministic. So don't worry. These two, it is a good question. They are deterministic. They are not DFA, but they are deterministic. As they are deterministic, that's why delta is a function. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
DFA, why that is a function? Because that is a deterministic. Why NFA has a relation? Because that is non-deterministic. Always remember, when there is a determinism, definitely the transition is a function. Whenever there is a non-determinism, definitely that is a relation. So these two are also deterministic. So that's why it's a function. Good question. Q naught is start, same like before. But usually, finite automata with output does not have any final states. Instead of final states, it has delta. Delta is nothing but output alphabet.
স্যার তাহলে কি দুইটাকে আমরা ডেল্টা করব?
The small delta. This is capital delta. Small delta, capital delta. Name does not matter. You can come up with different names, but then you have to mention that this is this.
Okay,
You can also say this is A, B, C, D, E, F. I don't care. But it is small delta. And this is a capital delta. There's a difference. These are Greek letters, okay?
Yes.
So small delta is transition function. Capital delta is output alphabet, okay? And I have another thing which is called lambda. What is lambda? Lambda is called output function. So this is the definition of finite automata without. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Sextuple. It's sextuple. Okay. So let's give you an example, then it will be getting clear. So let's take a example. Let's take this. How I'm drawing this, then we are going to learn. But at first, let's classify Moore and Miller machine and that difference. My sigma is A comma B. My delta is 0, capital delta is 0, 1. And what is the language? In a string, when gets A prints 1, otherwise print 0. That means in a string, whenever I get A, I'm going to print 1, otherwise I'm going to print 0. So what would be the Moore machine for this? The Moore machine would be like this. How I'm drawing this, we are going to take care of that thing later. But right now, just remember. This is the Moore machine for this language. And what is the Millet machine? Millet machine would be like this. This is the Moore machine for this language. This is the Millet machine for this language.
স্যার বি
What
কি
is
1
the
হবে না?
difference? কোনটা?
স্যার নিচেরটা মিলে মেশিনে বি।
Thank you. So this is the Millet machine. This is the Moore machine. Now, let's come back to business. Is it deterministic, this machine? This state has movement on A and B. This state has movement on A and B. So it is definitely deterministic. How about this? This A in Millet machine, this A has movement on A and B. This B has movement on A and B. So this is also deterministic. No problem with this. Now, what is the catch? What is the difference between Moore machine and Millet machine? Tell me. What do you observe?
স্যার কি হচ্ছে তাই তো বুঝতেছি না স্যার।
কি হচ্ছে বুঝতে পারতেছেন না? আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, একটা স্টেট নেন, একটা স্ট্রিং নেন যে এই ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ যে কোনো একটা। জাস্ট গিভ মি অ্যান স্ট্রিং।
স্যার এই যে
জাস্ট গিভ মি
এর নিচে যে 0 1 আছে ওইটা কি?
আসছে, একটা স্ট্রিং বলেন, আমি দেখাচ্ছি।
এবি
BABB. Okay. So BABB, what would be the output for this? So if you take BABB, it says in a string when gets A prints 1, otherwise prints 0. So initially I get a B, it is not A. So what should I print?
0
0. Then I get A, what should I print? 1. Then I get another B, I should print 0. Then get another B, I should print 0. So that should be the output printed by the machine. Now let's go to Moore machine. So in Moore machine, BA, BB. Initially in the state A, what should it print? 0. Then B, it is still in state A, so I should print 0. Then after A, it should go to state B, so I should print 1. Then after B, I should come back to state A, so I should print 0. Again B, I should print 0. So if you discard this one, then I print this one. Am I right or not? Did you get it?
স্যার ফার্স্ট একটা ডিসকার্ড করতেছেন কিভাবে?
ফার্স্ট এটা ডিসকার্ড করতে হবে, আসছি আলোচনা আসবে। আমাকে মূল মেশিনটা শুরু করতে দেন। ফার্স্ট এটা জাস্ট ডিসকার্ড দ্য ফার্স্ট ওয়ান, জাস্ট ডিসকার্ড দ্য ফার্স্ট আউটপুট। Okay, so this is the case. On the other hand, if you go to Miller machine, if you take BA, BB, then you start from state A, you get B, you are printing this. So remember, in Moore machine, you are printing whatever inside the state, whatever output inside the state, you are going to print that one. See, in the Moore machine, the output is inside the state. Am I right or not? Whenever you hit that state, you are going to print that output inside the state. That is the Moore machine. On the other hand, Miller machine, the output is associated with the transition. Whenever you are in state A, you have transition B, you are printing this output. That is the most important difference between Moore and Miller machine. In Moore machine, the output is inside the state. On the other hand, in the Miller machine, the output is associated with the transition. So, John, we get this for Moore machine. Miller machine, starting from state A, whenever you say B, what is the output associated with this transition? 0. So you are going to print 0. Then you are same again in state A. Then again you have a transition on A. So what is the output? You are going to print 1. Then you go to B. Then B, if you make transition on B, what you are going to print? 0. And you come back to state A. Then if you get again B, you are printing 0. Then you are again in the state A. Is it clear to you? Now, don't discard anything. Just consider this. It matches. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? So this is the difference between Moore machine and Miller machine. In Moore machine, the output is associated with the state. In Miller machine, the output is associated with transition. Okay? Now, how can you define? So this is actually the definition of finite automata with output. The delta is already defined, output alphabet, which is nothing but 0, 1. But how can you define lambda, then output function? In Moore machine, Moore machine lambda. So how can you define Moore machine lambda? Then what would be the domain and codomain for Moore machine? Lambda, output function. In Moore machine, output depends on what?
On the stages Q.
Output depends on states. So domain should
Q.
be only Q. What would be the codomain?
Delta.
Delta. Simple. Because Q maps to one of the output. Simple. This is the Moore machine lambda. So this is the domain. It depends only on state. And this is the codomain. It maps to one of the output. Fine. खूब simple. Miller machine lambda is what? In Miller machine, output function depends on transition. How can we define transition in a deterministic machine? Q cross sigma. And it maps to input set. So this is the domain in Miller machine. Output function, this is the code. Did you buy it? So this is the difference.
So Miller machine is a arekbar ekটু বলবেন?
Miller machine output depends on what? The transition. Output depends on transition. And in deterministic machine, how can we define the transition? Q cross sigma.
Okay, sir.
A state, we have to define a state, then we have to define a letter, input alphabet, A comma A or A comma B. Depend on that one, we can define the transition. So that's why Millet machine, the domain depends on Q cross sigma. On the other hand, Moore machine, the output depends on only states. So that's why only A or B, so on. Here, A comma B, so on. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Jilan asked me one question, just sir. It is Jilani, right? Yes, sir. Why you are discarding one output, the initial output in Moore? Why? Because the problem with Moore machine is when you start your journey, whenever you enter in the initial state, you already print a output. Am I right or not? Without seeing anything, you are printing something. Am I right or not?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Because you have to start with state A. You have to start with somewhere. From epsilon, you start from here. Epsilon start from here. Now see, Moore machine is little bit active, more active. Without seeing output, as Moore machine's output depends on state, it is initially going to print something. Whenever you entered in start state A, you are printing something, 0. But still you did not see any string letters. You did not encounter any letters in the string. But because the output is associated with states, you already print something. It is erroneous. It's the extra thing. So that's why you have to discard this thing, the first one. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because Moore machine, how we are going to generate the output stream? After seeing and reading one by one the letters in the input stream. But Moore machine was designed in such a way, whenever you are in a state, without reading anything, then you have to print something. The same thing happens here. In the Moore machine, when you enter in the start state, you have to print something. So that's why this first 0, this should be always discarded. This is not correct. This is extra thing. This is error. Or this is extra. So that's why you always discard the first output of the Moore machine. Okay?
আচ্ছা স্যার যদি অ্যাপসিলন হতো তাহলে কি হতো ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজে?
Epsilon, Moore machine, Millet machine তো deterministic. Deterministic machine তো epsilon থাকে না. Epsilon তো থাকে only NF তে. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Deterministic machine does not have an epsilon move. That's why they are deterministic. So let's do some problems. So let's try this one. Let's assume my sigma is A comma B. Capital delta is 0 comma 1. When gets bar prints 1, otherwise, এটা খুব standard example. So this is the language. Draw a Moore machine. When gets bar prints 1, otherwise prints 0. Draw a Moore machine. How can you draw a Moore machine? Tell me, what will be the algorithm? এটা কি আছে বলেন। What will be the strategy? কি করা যেতে পারে?
স্যার তিনটে স্টেজ রাখতে পারি আমরা, তিনটে স্টেট।
স্ট্র্যাটেজিটা কি হবে? তিনটা স্টেট তো পরে। What would be the strategy? এটা একটা deterministic. Moore machine is a deterministic machine. So what would be my first strategy? Come up with a DFA. Come up with a DFA which accepts bar. So this is my strategy. So bar accept করে, how can you draw a DFA?
স্যার নরমালি যাবে ড্র করে এইভাবে স্যার।
সেটা কিভাবে? বা তো ফার্স্টেও থাকতে পারে। It starts with ba, then it accepts ba. Ba would be middle. It contains ba, then it also accepts. Ba is at the end of the string. That is also accepted ba. So which one you are going to take? Which ba you are going to take?
The first one.
All the bar, like
All the ba.
consecutive.
আমার কথা এটা, হ্যাঁ। You have to, whenever
Sir-
you get ba, you have to print one. That is fine.
স্যার
I don't
স্কেলেটন
have
করতে হবে।
Sir,
সেটা তো বুঝলাম,
Consecutive-
স্কেলেটন। আমি তো আই এম আস্কিং ইউ দ্য কোশ্চেন। Except ba can be 3 times. Start with ba, at the middle there is a ba, at the end there is a ba. Which ba you are going to take?
all of those.
All ba. Then how can you take all ba? Is it possible to take all ba? Why do you need all ba? Acha,
Sir,
let's take this way. Let's take this way. Suddenly you get a ba. What you are going to print?
one.
Then again, after sometimes you get another ba. What you are going to print?
One.
Another one. So how can you draw a DFA which come up with this solution? Tell me. দেখেন এই প্রশ্ন এটা খুব মজার একটা এই কোশ্চেনটা আপনারা why you people call this I don't know. So let's start this. আমরা একটা একটা করে ট্রাই করি। যেটা আমাদের তিনটা স্ট্র্যাটেজি আছে, বুঝা গেল we have 3 steps. So let's start with this. Number 1 starts with ba. What is the DFA for this? Starts with ba DFA. What would be the DFA for this? What would be the skeleton? এবার বলো।
So first একটা
Skeleton would be BA. Fine. খুব সুন্দর হচ্ছে, খুব সুন্দর হচ্ছে। It starts with A. I would go to this state. Then এখান থেকে যদি আমি B পাই, I would go to this state. এখান থেকে যদি B পাই, I go to this state. তারপর এখান থেকে যা পাই, I would go to this state. And this is my acceptance. এটা কি? Is it going to fulfill our purpose? Initially, if it gets
sir.
ba, if it initially gets ba, it is going to print 1. Fine. If you put a 1 here, that is fine. After that, and if we get more ba, then it is going to discard. Am I right? Because it is entering in a death state. So it is not
স্যার আমরা
Only
ইনিশিয়াল স্টেটে পাঠিয়ে দিব।
initial state পাঠাই দেবে। এটাকে initial state পাঠাই দেবে।
ইয়েস স্যার।
না স্যার, প্রত্যেকটার জন্য ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল স্টেপে যাওয়া লাগবে স্যার।
আচ্ছা, একটা একটা করে আসি। Starts with ba cannot fulfill our purpose. এবার আসেন content ba. Content ba DFA. Content ba DFA টা কিরকম? What would be the content ba DFA? It would be something like
Sir,
this. Initially, I get A, I don't care. If I get B, I will go to here. Then, if I get A, I would go here. If I get A, I would go here. এখানে যদি আবার B পাই, I would go to this state. I would remain in the this state. এখানে যদি আমি আবার
ওই স্টেটে থাকতে পারে স্যার। এখান থেকে বি পাইলে সেম স্টেটে থাকবে।
আচ্ছা ওইটা করতে আচ্ছা ওকে আই এম রং মোস্ট প্রবলি। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, আপনি এটা ঠিক বলেছেন। এটা হচ্ছে এরকম যে ইনিশিয়ালি আই এ পাইলাম, আই ডিসকার্ড দ্যাট ওয়ান, আই গেট বি, আই উইল বি দেয়ার। ইফ আই গেট বি, স্টিল আই এম স্টার্টিং উইথ এ, ওকে ফাইন, এ আই উইল বি হিয়ার। তারপর এখানে যদি বি পাই,
স্যার তাহলে ব্যাক করবে আগের স্টেটে একটা অ্যারো দিয়ে।
সেটা কি কন্টেন্স বা হচ্ছে?
জি স্যার। কন্টেন্ট বাড়িতে
এটা কন্টেন্স বা তো হচ্ছে না, আপনার তো কন্টেন্স বাইয়ের অ্যালগরিদমে নাই। এটা কি কন্টেন্স বাইয়ের অ্যালগরিদম হচ্ছে? ইজ ইট কন্টেন্স বাস অ্যালগরিদম? আচ্ছা, ও যেটা বলছে, আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, তারপর আঁকি দেখি। এ পাইলে এখানে অ্যাকসেপ্ট করব, তারপর কি করব?
স্যার বি পাইলে রিটার্ন করে দিব।
বিএ আই এম ডান। হ্যাঁ,
কন্টেন্ট বাড়িতে না হলে স্যার প্রাইমাসির উপরে যাইবো।
ডান। হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে। ওকে ফাইন, হি ইজ রাইট। she is right actually. B তারপর এখানে A পেলে broken হলো, তাহলে আমি যদি B পাই I will start back, come back to A পাইলে I am done. After that on whatever I get I will be always in this state. Am I right? It is the content bar. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This is the content bar. Is it going to fulfill our purpose?
Yes, sir.
What is wrong with this?
Just only one bar.
What is wrong with this? If you
স্যার
in this state
লাস্ট স্টেপে
one,
বি পাইলে আবার সেকেন্ড স্টেপে আসবে না?
now content bar. I got a bar, then whatever I get, I'm going to accept. Content bar means once I get bar, I'm done. I don't care what comes next. That is content bar. Content bar means what? Once I get bar, I'm done. I'm not caring what comes after that one. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Come on. Content bar means once I get bar, I'm done. I don't care what comes after next. Right? So, is it going to fulfill our purpose? No. What is problem with here?
Sir,
Once I get bar,
just one.
once I get bar, always I'm going to print 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So that is not the language I'm trying to accept. Now, so it is not also going to fulfill our purpose. Now let's come to last one, AND switch bar. AND switch bar. So what is AND switch bar looks like? What is AND switch bar looks like? If I get A, I'm going to discard. If I get B, A. Okay, guys, then here if I get B, I will be remain in this state. Here if I get B, I will return back to this state. Here if I get A, the whole thing would be broken. So I would come back to original state. And if I get here a B, I should come back to this state. Now what? Tell me. Is it the correct one? If I put here 1, then what happens? Tell me. Now what happens? I don't care what I get. These are 0, 0, 0. I don't care what I get. Suddenly I get a bar. I print 1. But I do not stop over there. I'm expecting still more bar. So I'm looking for more bar. At the end, if I accepting bar, I'm looking for more bar because and never ends. There might be something else which can end with bar. So that's why I'm always looking for bar. Always looking for bar. So that's why this is the correct answer. And with bar can give the correct solution of this language. That means one gets bar, print 1, otherwise print 0. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
So this is the correct solution. Now take a string, give me a string. Give me a string. Baba.
স্যার স্টার্ট উইথ বা যেটা স্যার স্যার ওইটাতে লাস্ট স্টেজে স্যার এ বি যাই পাই ওই ইয়াদি থাকবে না, স্টেটই থাকবে না?
আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ এটা true বলছে। But still it cannot fulfill our purpose. True. I made mistake. Yes. এখানে যদি লাস্টে এ বি যা পাই আমি ফাইনাল লাস্টেরটাই থাকবে। But still it cannot fulfill our purpose. Starts with bar, I print 1, then I always printing 1 and 1. Suddenly if I get a, still I have chance to get bar, but I'm going to test it, I'm going to print 0. Yes, you are right, thank you. Now let's take a string, ba. What is the output it is going to print? B, it is going to print 0, 0, then suddenly it is going to print 1, then 0, 0, it is going to print 1, 0, 0. So see, whenever I get a bar, I'm printing 1. Whenever I get a bar, I'm printing 1. So this is the correct one. Did you get it? Did you get it or not? All right, so let's take another example. বারটা একটা কঠিন এক্সাম্পল হয়ে গেছে। আচ্ছা একটা সিম্পল এক্সাম্পল একই কনসেপ্টে সিম্পল। Is the language clear to us? Gets AA prints 1 or gets A prints 1. Otherwise, prints 0. How can you do that? Tell me. এটা কিভাবে করা যায়?
সেম ওয়েতে স্যার ডিএফএ আঁকতে হবে।
So DF টা কি হবে? What would be the DF?
স্যার
What would be
তিনটে
the DF?
স্টেট হবে, দুইটা এ একটা বি।
দুইটা A একটা B বুঝলাম না।
State,
মানে
তিনটার
স্ট্র্যাটেজিটা
জন্য।
কি? What is the strategy? স্ট্র্যাটেজিটা বলো না। What would be the strategy? What would be the strategy? Strategy.
ফার্স্টে এ পাইলে একটা স্টেপে যাব, ওইখান থেকে এ বা বি যেটাই পাই ওইখান থেকে
English.
পরে
Speak in English. Speak in English. Not in Bengali. Speak in English.
first if we get an A, then we'll go to the first state. Then after that,
What is the strategy? I don't want you to describe the dog. I tell you what should be the strategy. What would be my strategy? What is the strategy? What would be the strategy? What would be the DFA? What DFA I'm going to draw? Tell me. What would be my DFA? Come on. What would be the DFA I'm going to draw first? Just previous example. How do I accept bar? Which
Oh, okay,
DFA I
so-
have drawn?
Starts with, then ends with.
Starts with and ends with. Why both? For bar, what we did actually? Ends with bar. Am I right? Here there are two
Yes.
things. Gets AA and AB, printing 1. Otherwise 0. So these are the two important points. This one and this one. If you get AA, print 1. If you get AB, print 1. So what would be the DFA for this one?
so contains A or A.
Contains,
Sir,
contains
starts
delay.
with
Starts delay, is this going to happen? I already told you. I've already told you what is problem with starts with something. Starts with something problem is after getting the starting, there are two problems starts with something. So if you start, initially if you don't start, you go to death state. Then you can never get chance to receive bar. You are always in the death state. So it cannot be solution. Contain something, it is also not solution because once you contain that one, then whatever you get after that one, you always remain in the accepting state. So it is always going to print 1. The problem with start is once if you don't start with that one, it is going to always printing 0. If it starts with that one, then after getting that one, it is always printing 1. Two problems are there. Contains, there is one problem. After getting one appearance, it is always printing 1. So it is not the solution. ANS is the perfect solution because ANS is always looking for the same string again and again at the end. So whenever it gets that one, it is going to print that out. So AND is the solution. Now tell me what would be the strategy for this? Gets AA prints 1, gets AB prints 1. So what would be the DFA we are going to looking for? Huh? Ends with AA must. And what? Ends with AA must plus ends with
AB.
AB. So this is the actually the strategy. So tell me a DFA which ends with A and A. How can you draw that? It's a
স্যার
simple
লাস্ট
problem.
স্টেপের আগে স্টেপে এ থাকতে হবে।
So initially, if I get the A, I should go over there. If I get A or B both, draw the skeleton. সব তো দেখি একদম কোরবানির সাথে সাথে you people all sacrificed everything. You have sacrificed everything, all your knowledge. It seems. I'm very frustrated from the morning. People forgot everything. Eid is very funny day. That's fine. It does not mean you are going to also jolanjali all your knowledge. That then it would be bad. Okay, so start from here, seeing it, then that means I'm expecting A or B. So I'm getting A or B, I'm in the acceptance state. How about this? If I get a B, I will wait in here. Am I right? How about
Yes, sir.
here? How about here? It is complete. How about here? If I get a B over there, then what happened? The complete pattern is broken.
Go back to a start
So I have to
position.
start from the start state for looking again A or A. Here, if I get A, then what happened? Which state I will come back? It is something like this.
স্যার
A, B,
মাঝখানে
middle, right. A, B, A. So I'm looking for A or B. So I'll come back to it. Right. Now, this would be 0, this would be 0, this would be 1. So this is the solution. Right.
স্যার একটা
Yes.
প্রবলেম আছে স্যার, লাইক ইফ উই গেট লাইক এ এ এ হোয়াট উইল হ্যাপেন?
2A, triple A,
Triple A.
2 A, 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 A.
আনাদার
মাঝখানে চলে আসছে।
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, so
সো ট্রিপল এ হলো তো তাহলে স্যার আবার ওয়ান
okay,
প্রিন্ট
yeah,
করার
it is
কথা।
right. So you can put it here. Yeah, you are right. So A printing 1, again A, print another one. Print A, another one. So this is yes, this is the solution. Yes, it is fine.
স্যার
It
দেন
is good.
বি শুড বি ডিবেটেড ইন দ্য ফাইনাল
স্যার
এরপরে যদি আমি
কেন প্রবলেম আছে স্যার? এখন ফাইলে স্যার 1 1 প্রিন্ট হবে স্যার।
Yeah, one print of it, so no problem. A, and I get another A, 1, another A, so and with A, so 1, another A, 1, another A,
So then B,
1. This one.
আসলে তো ওয়ান প্রিন্ট
স্যার এ বি এর জন্য 1 প্রিন্ট হবে।
Okay, okay. Let's see, let's see. Okay. Well, let's try that. How can we fix that problem? How can we fix that problem? I got it. Yes. My bad. So how can we fix that problem? How can we fix this problem?
স্যার এবি কে সেপারেট করতে পারি আমরা, ইনপুটের এবি কে।
Okay, so there is a solution. Shundar observation. So A is split column. এটাকে split column. এবার A is a good observation. B I will remain here. It is complete. So if I get a B, now এইভাবে সেট করলে হয়। So this is 0, this is 0, this is 1, done. Now there is no problem. Good observation. এটা যদি ধরেন যে if I get more A, triple A, 4A, then you can do this. 1, 1, 1. Fine. Then it will be solution.
স্যার এ স্যার চারটা এরপর যদি একটা বি আছে সেক্ষেত্রে কি এটা আপলোড থাকে?
Okay. Enough? Now it is fine. So you have to fix this one. A, 1, 1, B, you go over there, 1, And if you get another B, you will return that. Now it is yes. Good example. Done. Now anything wrong?
Also.
It is the same. Nice, it's a good idea. Yes. Let's take another example. এটা খুব সহজ it is a very easy example. You should know. Sigma s 0 1 delta s 0 1 2 binary numbers output equal to remainder mod 3. So you are going to draw a moon machine. It is going to print remainder mod 3. So how can you do that? Output to number. That means nothing but print. So what would be the strategy? Binary number, so something 0111 01 string. Whenever you divide by 3, it is going to produce the remainder. In that state, for example, whenever 00, what is the mod 3? It is 0, so you are going to print 0. Whenever 10, mod 3, it is 2. So you are going to print 2. Whenever 11, mod 3, it is 3. Again, it is 1. It is again 0. So you are going to print 0. If you put 0, 1, then it is nothing but 1. Mod 3 equal to 1. So you are going to print 1. Is the question clear to you? So what would be the strategy for this moon machine? What would be the strategy? Yes. জানেন আপনারা. We know that a DFA, which is going to generate the remainder of number mod 3. What is that? What is that DFA? We have did it lot of those examples. So
স্যার তিনটে স্টেট হবে ফর 0 1 and 2
yes, remainder 0, remainder 1, remainder 2
and remainder 2
0 থেকে initially it is 0, so 0 থেকে যদি 0 পাই still 0, so remainder 0. 0 থেকে যদি 1 হয় it is 1, I'll go to remainder 1. 1 থেকে যদি 0 হয় it is 2, so 1 0 I'll go over there. 1 থেকে 1 1 3, I'll come back here. Now 1 0 থেকে যদি 1 হয় it is nothing but 5. Mod 3 equal to 2, so I'll remain in this state. 1 0 0 হলে এটা হচ্ছে 4, mod 3 equal to 1, so I'll come back to
second step.
So what would be the output? The output is simple. In state হচ্ছে 0, in state হচ্ছে 1, in state হচ্ছে 2.
Yes sir.
All right. Let's do another example. So let's take this. Gets BAA prints 1 or gets BAB prints 1, otherwise prints 0. How can you, what is the strategy?
স্যার ফার্স্ট এটার মতো এন্ডস উইথ হবে স্যার
Okay. Hence with হবে বা আরেকটা হচ্ছে BAB। কিভাবে ড্র করা যায়?
স্যার বি এ কমন আছে
Strategies-
বাট আমরা কমন
Strategy is nothing but something like this. So what will be the strategy? Initially, if I get a B, I go to this state. If I get to this, I go to this state. If I get A or B, I'll be in this state. Am I right? Here, if I get A, I'll wait here. Here, if I get a B, the whole thing is broken. I'm going back to this state. Then what?
স্যার এখানে
This
বি
is
পেলে ওই
complete.
স্টেটই থাকবে
This one complete. তারপর এখানে after getting here, if I get a B, then what happen? I have to go back to this state. If I get a A, then what happen? Then there is a problem. So tell me, what is the problem?
Sir,
there's a
first
problem.
second কথা
If it
যেটা
ends,
with-
if it ends with double A, then there is no problem. But if it ends with BAP, then if it gets A, then there is a problem. So we have to split this state.
জি স্যার
This
এ বিকে
state needs to be split. We have to split that one. So let's split that one. So let's do B, A. So it is A, this is B. Am I right or not?
ইয়েস স্যার
Now, BAA, if I get a B, then whole thing is broken. Whole thing is broken, so I'm looking for AA or AB. So I have to come back in this state. Here, BAB. After that one, if I get a A, then I have to start with from here. I have to come back here because I got BA.
ইয়েস স্যার
If I get another B, BA, BB,
সেকেন্ড স্টেপ
then I have to go to this state. Am I right?
ইয়েস স্যার
Okay. So, and here, if I get A, that means whole thing is broken. I have to looking for
ইনিশিয়াল স্টেট
initial state. Now let's match this one B, A, and
Sir, second step will be the same.
so done. And what would be the output? The output would be here 0. Output here will be 0. Here will be 0. Here will be 1. So done. This is the machine. All right. Okay. All right. Now let's start Millet machine. এই এক্সাম্পল গুলো সবগুলো করব একটা একটা। So what is the difference with Moore and Millet machine? Tell me. Moore machine, if you go to this diagram, in Moore machine, the output is inside the state. The output is inside the state. On the other hand, Millet machine, the output is related to transition. But overall strategy does not change. Okay. So let's draw the first one. What is the first example? What is the first example? When gets bar prints 1, otherwise prints 0. So how can you draw that one? How can you draw that one? What is the strategy? A comma B, delta is 0 comma 1, language is gets bar prints 1, otherwise print 0. What would be the Millet machine? Tell me. Strategy is same DFA we are going to try. What is the DFA for this? B, A, am I right, guys? Ends with B, ends with bar. Initially, if I get A, I should wait. Here, if I get B, I'll be in the same state. Here, if I get A, I'll go over here. If I get a B, I have to start from here. Here, if I get another A, then whole thing is broken. So I've been in this stage. And if I get a B, I'll come back to this. Now tell me, what would be the output? I have to associate output with the transition. So whenever we get the yes. So whenever I get B, A, I'm pretty sure this is the last A of the bar. I'm going to print 1. So what would be the case? In this case, it would be 1. Otherwise, it would be always 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is the Millet machine. Did you get it? Do you have any problem? Then ask me a question. Anything,
Sir,
guys?
স্যার আপনি কিভাবে বুঝলেন যে লাস্ট স্টেজটা শুধু 1?
কারণ অ্যান্সার বা মানে কি? I already get B and A. This is the last A. That means I already got BA. Then last one is A. So I have already got BA. The last A is I get BAA. So that time I'm going to print only 1. Otherwise I'm going to print 0.
স্যার এইখানে তো দেখা যাচ্ছে লাইক কাইন্ডা অনেকটা লাস্ট স্টেপটা ইজি হয়ে আছে, বাট অনেকগুলো থাকলে তখন লাইক আপনি স্পেসিফিকলি কি দেখবেন, মানে কি খুলবেন?
Strategy to same. Millet machine, Moore machine, the strategy to same. At first you have to come up with the DFA. Am I right or not? Strategy would be same. If you don't know the strategy, it would be hell difficult. But there's a conversion technique we are going to learn. Don't worry. Millet to Moore, Moore to Millet, there is a conversion technique. But overall strategy, for example, if I give you a question, draw a Millet machine, then you come up with Moore machine, then convert to Millet machine, then it would waste of time. Overall strategy for all the binary automator with output has the same. It's always same. So this is the same strategy followed in the Moore machine, we follow in the Millet machine also. Okay. Now let's go to another example. See, the same strategy works on. What is the second example? What is the second example?
ABBA.
So
0, 1.
BAA or BAB.
Gets A, print 1, gets AB, prints 1, otherwise 0. The same strategy. No problem with that. A comma B, delta is 0, 1. Language is gets A, print 1, gets AB, prints 1, otherwise prints 0. Same strategy, same DFA. That's why I'm always talking about the strategy. I'm always talking about the strategy. The strategy is DFA. You have to draw the DFA. Now, what is the DFA? DFA would be like this. If I get A, I would go over here. Then if I get A, I would go over here. If I get a B, I would go over here. Then what? If I get B, I have to wait here. It is done, it is done. Now over here. Here, if I get a B, that means it's answer with A. If I get a B, still I answer with AB. Am I right or not? Now, here if I get A, then that means I'm still answer with A. Done. Here, AB, if I get A, that means the whole thing is, not whole thing is broken, I'm in this state. And if I get B, it means the whole thing is. Now tell me, why should I have put the 1 in 0? It is a good question. Same thing, strategy. When you come over here, it means I get A. I don't care what is just before this one.
স্যার
Am I
লাস্ট
right
স্টেপে
or
আপনি
not?
দুইটা বি ইউজ করছেন।
Oh, আচ্ছা আচ্ছা। AB, এটা A হবে।
এটাই হবে।
Yes. Okay. So when you come to this state, it means I don't care what is there. I got my desired A. Now I'm expecting A. If I get the A, I should print. Or if I get B, it will. It will. If I get the B, still I'm going to print one because I get my desired AA or AB. Here I will be 0. Here will be 0. Now, if I get more A, that means I'm answered with AA. If I get more A, still I'm answered with AA. So it would be also 1. Now I get some A. If I get a B, that means I have already A just before. If I get a B, still I answer it AB. So 1. Other things are same. So this is the example, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the millionation. Now let's go to last example of today. Gets bar prints 1 or gets BAB prints 1, otherwise prints 0.
স্যার আর ইউ ওকে? আপনার গলা শুনে ভাঙ্গা ভাঙ্গা মনে হচ্ছে।
আরে 6 ঘন্টা ক্লাস নিচ্ছি আজকে। So I'm a human being, right? Don't worry.
আপনার গলা শুনে বোঝা যাচ্ছে স্যার।
Hopefully if my সকালবেলা থেকে মেজাজ খারাপ আরো এত কষ্ট করে giving lectures, maximum people don't study. So that's why I was getting very frustrated in the morning class. Then what is the point of giving lectures? I can give you some book and reading that and this. So if I work hard, you people should work hard. And otherwise, it is nothing but disrespect. Forget about that. Forget about my health. Think about this. Now let's go back to here. Last example. Let's take the last example. Gets BAA print 1. Gets BAA print 1 or gets BAB print 1. Otherwise print 0. Sigma is equal to A comma B. Delta is equal to 0 comma 1. Then L equal to gets BAA prints 1 or gets BAB print 1, otherwise print 0. Okay, so what is my Moore machine? This is the Moore machine. Okay, this is the Moore machine. So let's draw the strategy, the DFA first. If I get a B, I should go over here. If I get a A, I should go over here. If I get the A, I should be here. If I get the B, I should be here. If I get a, I should remain in this state. Then what? Tell me. If I get mod B, I should remain in this state. Then this is done. This is done. B A. After that, on what? If I get more A, then I'm completely broken this structure. So I should remain in here. Be here.
B
If I
হলো
get
second step.
D, I should in the second step, right? That is done. Let's go to here. DAB. If I get A, still it means it
Second
ends with BA. So I've been in this state. And if I get more B, that means I'm in. Now it is simple. You know the solution. This is nothing but 0. 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 So we are done. We get our BAA. Here also I get my 1. This is 0. This is 0. So done. This is the equation. Right? All right, guys. This is the end of today's class. If you have any question, you can ask me. Please. Do you have any question? Huh? Do you have any question? You can ask me. Yes, please. What happened to Sir? You
I
people
think
are
he is disconnected.
okay. So you don't have any question. Okay, we can stop here today. So just take a rest and prepare for the quiz. Okay. All right, guys. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye.
Assalamualaikum.
Bye, sir.
All right. Bye, sir.
Sir.
Bye, sir.
Volunteer.